Hello students, welcome back to the computer class. In the last video, we have completed chapter number 5, that is mouse and input device. And I hope you all have completed your assignment also. Yes, very good. So in this video, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is Introduction to Paint. In standard 1, you have already studied about paint program, students. What is paint program and how to start a paint program. Yes, so in this class also we'll be studying about introduction to paint software, how to start a paint program and different parts of the paint window. So first let us see what is paint program. How does it help you? Paint program has many tools that helps us to draw and color the picture on computer. You all love drawing in your copies? Yes. But with the help of paint program, you can draw on the computer also. How? Because it has many tools. Paint program has many tools which helps you to draw on the computer. Now, second is how to start a paint program. It is very easy, students. Only in 4 steps. See, first you have to click on start button, then all programs, then accessories, and click on paint window. The paint window will open on your computer screen. Very easy. Now repeat with me. The first one is you have to click on start program. So start button, then all program, then accessories, and then click on paint, and the paint window will come on the computer screen. When the paint window will come on the computer screen, it has different parts. What are the different parts of the paint window? See, the first one is title bar, then quick access toolbar, then paint button, then ribbon. Again, ribbon is divided into 2 parts, that is tab and groups. And the last one is drawing area. So these are the different parts of the paint window. Now one by one I'll show you the different function of these different paint parts of the paint window. Practically I'll show you on the computer, students. So students, see, this is your desktop. Yes, now I will tell you how to open paint program on your computer. For this, as I told you, first you have to click on start button. So here, can you see the start button? Yes, so you have to click on start button, then choose all program. Can you see all program? So you have to click on all program, then you have to look for accessories. So here, can you see accessories? So click on accessories and then click on paint program. When you will click on paint option, the paint window will open. This is your paint window. What is this? This is your paint window. Now I will tell you the different parts of the paint window. Now first one is title bar. See, can you see the blue bar? Blue bar at the top of the screen. See this blue bar at the top of the screen? This blue bar is known as title bar. What does it display? It displays the program name and the file name on which you are working. It will display the program name. For example, if I am working on paint, it will display the program name paint. Now, observe the button on the top right side of the title bar. This is your right side of the title bar. Can you see these 3 buttons? Can you see this is minimize button, maximize button and close button. These 3 buttons together, they are known as control buttons. What is this? This is known as control. This is very important, students. See, control button. Minimize button will help you to minimize the paint window. Maximize button will help you to maximize the paint window. And close button will help you to close the paint window. Now come to paint button. Can you see this is paint button? What is the work of the paint button? It contains different options to work in paint. Paint button contains different options to work in paint. Now come to ribbon. What is ribbon? Ribbon consists of 2 parts. Ribbon consists of 2 parts, that is tab and group. What does it consist of? Tab and group. So what is tab? Can you see, student? This is tab. home, view. Can you see this is tab, and down this is group. Can you see the related command? These are groups. So what is tab? Each tab contains tool arranged in different groups. Tabs contains tool arranged in different groups. And what is group? A group is set of related command. They are set of related command. So can you see this shape group, color group? All these are set of related command. Now after this, come to the drawing area. Can you see the white area here? This is known as drawing area. So drawing area covers the major part of the paint window. So you can see it covers the major part of the paint window. This area is used for making colorful drawing. Whatever you want to draw, you can draw here. Can you see? I have selected circle from the circle tool and drag the mouse in the drawing area, and you will be able to draw whatever you want to draw here. So it helps you to make colorful drawing. What does drawing area helps you? It helps you to make colorful drawings. So with this, we come to the end of this video. So today we have learned what is paint program, how to open the paint window, and the different tools which all are present on the paint window. Now in the next class, we'll be learning how to draw different shapes using the shapes tool. That I'll start in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and complete your assignments on time. Okay students, bye.